Uh-oh! 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 Laa-Laa kicked ball. Oh no, Laa-Laa's ball was in the pond. Uh-oh! Look, it's a swan. Wow! 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 I think the swan is hungry. I know, let's feed the swan. Po feed swan! Po feed swan! Oh dear, I don't think swans eat that. Uh-oh! Laa-Laa feed swan! Laa-Laa feed swan! I don't think the swan's like that either. Uh-oh! Dipsy feed swan! Dipsy feed swan! I don't think the swan's like that either. Tinky Winky Teletoast? Teletoast? Yay! 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 Well done, Teletubbies. The swan loves Teletoast. Uh-oh. Oh no, the swan's flying away. Uh-oh. 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 Well done, Teletubbies. Now let's go eat some Teletoast. Yeah. 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 Hello, everyone. Hello, Teletubbies. Uh-oh. 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 It's such a beautiful day. I think we should go for a walk. Do you? Yeah! Well, come on. Let's go. Look! Rabbit! 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 That's right, Tinky Winky. Look at the rabbit jumping and hopping around. Laa-Laa jump! Oh, Laa-Laa, you've scared the rabbits away. Maybe it's time to go home. What do you think, Po? Yeah! Home time! Laa-Laa jump! think he's interested in the rabbits. Oh, silly Noo-Noo. Uh-oh. 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 Let's go for a walk, Teletubbies. Ho, walk. Laa-Laa walk. Dipsy walk. Cake. 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 Dipsy cake. 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 It does look delicious. Cake. Cake. Laa-Laa eat cake. Dipsy eat. Dipsy eat. Was that nice cake, Teletubbies? Yeah! 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 The Teletubbies are tired. I think it's time to go home. Uh-oh! 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 Tinky Winky cake! Cake! Uh-oh! Tinky Winky is asking if the Teletubbies have seen his cake. Noo-Noo birthday! Uh-oh! 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 The Teletubbies need to bake a new cake for Noo-Noo's birthday tomorrow. The next morning, Noo-Noo woke up and came to the kitchen. What's on that table, Noo-Noo? Happy birthday, Noo-Noo! The Teletubbies have baked a brand new cake for Noo-Noo. Teletubbies eat. Yeah. Dipsy eat. It's a beautiful day in Teletubbyland and Laa-Laa is playing with her favourite orange ball. Hello, Tinky Winky. Uh-oh. Hello, Po. Uh-oh. Hello, Dipsy. Uh-oh. Hello, Laa-Laa. Hello. Wow, Laa-Laa. What is it that you've got there? Laa-Laa ball. Wow, that is a wonderful orange ball, Laa-Laa. Are you and Dipsy playing with it? Yeah. Are you going to pass the ball to Dipsy, Laa-Laa? Yeah. OK, pass it to Dipsy, Laa-Laa. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. Oh no, Laa-Laa kicked the ball too far and now it's disappeared. What shall we do now? I know, maybe we could ask the Teletubbies for some help. Yeah! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. OK, Teletubbies, let's go. Teletubbies, can you see the ball anywhere? No. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No. Oh, poor Laa-Laa. Where could your ball be? Laa-Laa, I don't know. Well, if it's not at the lake, it must be back at the Teledome. Let's have custard and have a good long think about where it could be. Yeah! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Yeah! Noo-Noo found the ball. Laa-Laa ball! Laa-Laa ball! Laa-Laa ball! I think what Noo-Noo is trying to say is that the ball was kicked into him while he was cleaning. Yay, Noo-Noo! Noo-Noo! Oh no!